Hello everyone, I am Hani Thakkar welcoming you all to the official YouTube channel of Time Gujarat. Are you a student who wants to do MBA but don't have clear idea about it? Are you finding best one coaching institute for your CAT exam preparation? If your answer is yes, then Faculty of Time Ahmedabad will provide you best coaching for the same. Also, we will clear all your doubts related to MBA degree, how many MBA entrance exams conducted in India, out of that which one is best for you. And with the help of this digital platform called YouTube channel, we'll keep updating you regarding upcoming exam dates, its syllabus and pattern. We will also let you know about which one V school is best for you and selection criteria for getting admission in that particular V school. So before we move ahead, if you really find this channel useful, then please subscribe it. Also press bell icon for having such a useful video CAT aspirant expect from any coaching institute. So now let's get started. Okay, so in this one video, I will talk about study material that TIME Institute provide to their students. See, we all know that students' performance is totally dependent on mentorship and study material provided by their institute. And that's why our team has prepared study material in such a way, by solving it, you will be able to crack your CAT exam with such a good score. So now, let's quickly talk about TIME study material. After the completion of your enrollment process, our team will provide you kit of TIME CAT material. In that, you will be having 25 plus books including 3 of section of CAT exam, and that is Quant, DI, LR and Verbal. These books will contain 10,000 plus questions to solve. And every year, ये जो TIME का whole CAT material है, that have been prepared and updated by 40 plus IIT IIM graduates. इसके अलावा हम स्टूडेंट्स की वोकेबुलरी इंप्रूव करने के लिए क्यू कार्ड्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं. दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज वर्बल वोकेबुलरी कार्ड, जिसमें हम आपको इस टाइप का क्यू कार्ड बॉक्स देंगे. एंड इन दिस बॉक्स यू विल बी हैविंग 167 कार्ड्स इंक्लूडिंग 20 वर्ड्स इन ईच कार्ड विद मीनिंग इन द बैक. सो अगर आप दिन के 20 वर्ड्स को रिकॉग्नाइज करने की कोशिश करते हो, देन एट द एंड 167 कार्ड्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 20 वर्ड्स ऑन ईच, it means 3,340 words will be fit in your mind. And trust me, these words will help you to understand language of reading comprehension section in CAT exam. Also, you can use these words at the time of GDPA round to present yourself in such a professional way. इसके अलावा हम आपको monthly magazine भी provide करेंगे. That will contain current affairs of local and global news and events. See, we know that CAT exam में general knowledge नहीं पूछा जाता. But to clear further admission process, you have to improve your GK. And ऐसे भी बहुत सारी MBA other entrance exam है जिसमें GK का session होता है अलग से. And that's why you have to improve it. For that, our center arrange every Sunday 2 hours of GK session, and that is compulsory for each and every student to attend. इसके अलावा हम आपको एक student home page provide करेंगे. In that, we will provide you student ID. That you have to generate from our website timeforeducation.com. इस वेबसाइट के थ्रू हम आपको 600 प्लस ऑल इंडिया रैंकिंग सेक्शनल टेस्ट प्रोवाइड करेंगे. सेक्शनल टेस्ट को अपीयर करने की जरूरत क्यों है? बाय सॉल्विंग मोर एंड मोर सेक्शनल टेस्ट, यू कैन हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस कैट एग्जाम में आस्क हो सकते हैं. एंड बाय सॉल्विंग इट, योर टाइम मैनेजमेंट स्किल एंड स्पीड विल बी इम्प्रूव्ड. इसके अलावा हम आपको 25 एमकेट्स भी देंगे, दैट इज नोन एज ऑल इंडिया मॉक कैट सीरीज. एट द टाइम ऑफ अपीयरिंग एमकेट्स, यू हैव टू कम्पीट विद 90,000 स्टूडेंट्स अक्रॉस द इंडिया. इट मीन्स एवरी ईयर टाइम की जो एमकेट्स है उसको 90,000 स्टूडेंट्स अपीयर करते हैं. सो ये जो एमकेट्स है दैट हैव बीन प्रिपेयर्ड एज एक्चुअल लेवल ऑफ कैट. एंड समटाइम्स कुछ ऐसे भी टाइम की एमकेट सीरीज होती है दैट इज टफेस्ट देन कैट एग्जाम. So you can assume that AIMCAT is important to achieve great score in CAT exam, right? इसके अलावा हम आपको OMETS भी प्रोवाइड करेंगे. That is for the students who want to clear other MBA entrance exam. See, ऐसे भी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनका गोल CAT नहीं होता है, उनका गोल other MBA entrance exam को क्लियर करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुछ स्टूडेंट ऐसे होते हैं जिनको HR से MBA करना चाहते हैं, एंड ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स जेट एग्जाम को क्लियर करने की कोशिश करेंगे टू गेट एडमिशन इन XLRI. सो ऐसे ही MBA अदर एंट्रेंस एग्जाम सच एज जेट, स्लैप, एडमेट, देन IIFT, माईकेट, सीबेट, इस टाइप के एग्जाम्स को क्लियर करने के लिए हम आपको OMETS देंगे. that have been prepared on the basis of exam pattern and syllabus according to this MBA other entrance exam. ये जितनी भी ओमेट से एमकेट से इसके रिगार्डिंग आपको वीडियो लेक्चर्स भी प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा फॉर सॉल्यूशन इन दिस पोर्टल timeforeducation.com. So don't worry about it. If you solve this whole time CAT material with 100% seriousness, then you will surely able to achieve your IIM dream by cracking CAT exam with such a good score. Here I am done with presenting time study material. And if you want this type of time study material, then just call us on 635999333 and enroll yourself as soon as possible. Or else you can also visit any of our center. Here is address detail and contact detail about our center. We have 2 offices in Ahmedabad and 1 at Gandhinagar. If I talk about specifically Ahmedabad office, then one is located at HR College Road and second one is at Satellite. You can visit any one of the center as per your location convenience. Now, let me share with you about our upcoming batch timing. Basically, we have weekday 3 batches. Lectures will be conducted on alternative basis, such as Monday, Wednesday and Friday, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. You can select any one of the slot as per your time convenience. ऐसे भी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो प्रोफेशनल्स वन है. For them, it is not possible to attend regular classes, and that's why Institute provide weekend lecture also. In that, one lecture will be conducted in Saturday evening and second will be on Sunday morning. Other than that, ऐसे भी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं. For them, it is not possible to visit center regularly, and for them, Institute provide online batches also. We have weekday 3 online batches, so you can select any one of the slot as per your choice. What I am suggesting you is, don't waste your time and quickly start your CAT exam preparation by enrolling yourself as soon as possible at our institute and make your IIM dream real by time. At last, I want to provide you one discount offer. See, if you bring this screenshot to any of our center, then you will be having 1000 rupees off in your any course fees. Please share this news in your friends also so that they can also get benefit of this discount offer. Here I am done with presenting time study material. If you really like this video, then please hit the like button. Also subscribe our channel for cracking CAT exam with such a good score. All the very best for your future. Thank you so much for watching.